Okay, I will be unboxing the Apple Watch SE. And yeah, I can't say SE 250 gigabytes or anything. It's just the Apple Watch SE. Okay, so let's try to make this as satisfying as possible. Wow, I think I did it better than all the other YouTubers. I say that, now I'm having trouble. See? Piece of cake. I think it's supposed to be this way. I wish I could get more in the shot. But right now, this is my only option right here. There's some pull tabs. Instead of doing that, I'm gonna damage them. Okay. Ooh. Not really surprised because I've seen unboxing videos. But we have the navy blue watch band and we have the silver watch. Okay, set this down again. And since everybody opens the band first, that's what we're gonna do. So there's gonna be a little tab right here. This is what it looks like because nobody zoomed in on this. You just pull that off. Very satisfying. According to some people, it was not as satisfying as they thought it would be. If you can find my comment, props to you. Okay. And this, we just get some paper. Some paper. Ooh. Get some pretty nice direction for just the band itself. I mean, that's pretty nice for a watch band unboxing. So I think what I used, let me see. I think I've been using the large one. It's kind of hard to tell. Ooh, that's smooth. Here, I'll zoom that in. Well, and then you get this little tab up here. See, that's pretty satisfying. And I'll go ahead and do the other one just because. Ooh, I'll probably try them both out anyways. Ooh, they feel very premium and new, and as they should. Okay, I'm gonna move those over. Back to the Apple Watch. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, before looking at the Apple Watch, we have to look at these. Okay, I say that. They don't even put stickers in here, which is sad. What's really annoying is they don't add a power block. Because I need one. People. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh, look at this lighting. I think I have the best lighting so far. I mean, not the best angle, but I have the best lighting, I guess. Blech. Okay, that wasn't. Unboxing this was Ooh. Okay, let's see if we can get all angles here. Ooh. Pretty. Yeah, I know I'm weird. Okay, let's see which band. Well, let's not put the... Hey, come back out. You're not supposed to stay in there. Okay. Put that there. And let's see. Okay, I've noticed all the people that were new to Apple Watches, they put their bands, this part down here. I don't know about you, but I wear my Apple Watch like this. I put that on top. But all the people that were unboxing it that didn't have Apple Watches previously, what they were doing is they were putting it on wrong. Okay, well, the large band is actually too large for me. So I'm going to take this out by pushing the little button. Get that out. Put the large one back. Oop, slip right through. Uh-oh, it's powering on. I triggered it. Okay, let's get this on my wrist if it will go. Oof. Dang. Is it just me or did these watch bands get smaller? It's like a really tight fit right here. I've never had one that felt this tight. Oh, come on. It's giving me that notification to continue connect to power. So I'll have to connect to power and get right back to you to set up. I'm having trouble with this band. Okay, before I do that, I just want to show you what it looks like on my wrist. This is with the small band. What do you think? Too big? Just right for my arm? I don't know. I kind of wanted the bigger one because it's got longer battery life. Except it's long battery. But anyways, we'll put it on the charger and get this set up. Okay. I know this isn't the most satisfying part, but like this little pull tab, like right here for the charging, for the charger is actually really satisfying. Woohoo! And then you open it up. And then, let's see. I did not rehearse this. I say it's satisfying. Okay, I'll rip you in order to get you out. Okay, well, never mind. Not as satisfying as I thought. Ooh, it's a USB-C charger. I wasn't actually expecting that, but I mean, I expect it now. But yeah, it's a USB-C, which luckily I actually have one of those because I have an iPad Mini 6. If I didn't and I had just my SE, I would not have the right connector for it. Well, anyways, let's check on the watch. Okay, well this is a really bad angle for me and everything because of where I'm charging it. But let's select English. Little fun. Seriously. One big thing that I'm noticing about the SE versus the Series 3 is the tactile feedback. When I'm scrolling, here we go. Okay, United States. Okay, finally, open up the phone. Okay, one thing I've noticed about it is when you hit a button, it has the vibration to it. Let's see. Nothing on my phone yet. Okay. Okay, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Right now it's trying to do that. Oh, I need to open up the camera. Okay, I'll open up the camera. Okay, but yeah, the tactile. Oh my gosh, am I dumb? It ain't working. Well, and I'm recording sideways. Well, okay. Why isn't it working? Am I stupid? Okay. Well, one thing I like about it is that when you're hitting the buttons, they're really clicky. Manual pairing. Okay, don't tell me how to manually pair it. Great. Okay. Okay, what I was saying is I really like the tactile feedback, and the buttons are really clicky, and they're really satisfying. Okay, well, let me figure this out, and I'll get back. Okay, so pretty much what I just did is I went into the watch app. Let's click Add Watch. Set up for myself. Let's do... Okay, well, it's still making me do it manually. Okay, let me... Okay, 686 352. Oh, no, give me another number. Okay, it's just slow. 9129. I know the setup's pretty bad. I have it charging over here, and the way I have the setup is really hard to do. But I'm still gonna make this unboxing video. Yes, I could have moved it and made it easier for you guys, but I just didn't think about that, and I can't go back and change what I'm already doing. So sorry about that. Anyways, let's let this load. Do 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 do. It's paired. Cool. Let's set up a new Apple Watch. Ugh. Okay. It's hard to look at the screen while I'm doing this. I'm gonna wear it on my left. I'm a lefty. Okay, let's pretend to read these. And let's agree. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get back when it's done. Okay. I don't prefer to share because I just don't. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Bold text. Let's see what it looks like on the watch while I do this. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I like it right in the middle. I think I like it right in the middle. Let's see, bold. Nah, I'm not a really bold person. Let's see. Continue. Create a passcode. Okay, sorry y'all, but y'all can't see my passcode. Oh my gosh, this screen's so much easier to type passcode in. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the updates. Why not? I guess that's just mean you're about to install them. Okay. Take a minute, that's fine. Oh my gosh, my foot's starting to cramp. Ow! Ow! This was not supposed to be part of the video, but like when I sit down and I move my toe a certain way, my foot cramps up really bad. This was definitely not supposed to be part of the unboxing. Wow. I'm probably gonna include this in the video still. Hey, just the pain I just got right now. We're doing an unboxing. I'm suffering for y'all. You should like and subscribe. I know that was cheesy, but my foot's clear now. Ooh, I've never used that before. You know what? Let's do it. Uh-oh. Y'all aren't supposed to see that. I have to blur that out. Okay. That works. Yep, I'm not putting that in the video. Yee. I don't know the code for that one. Yay! I'm gonna choose because I don't want to install everything. App view. I'm going to go with this one. Get to know your watch. Okay, why not? I'll show you what's on there. Okay. Ooh. Wait, what? Cool. Cool. Multiple timers. Excessive touch. Yeah, cool. Let's do, didn't we click on what's new? Let's do customize your watch. Why not? Cool. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna do this. The complications, I'm definitely gonna customize that quite a bit. See your apps in a list. Okay. Of course we can download an app. Okay, let's check the status. Not halfway yet. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay. Well, I had to record till the end. It says, welcome to my new Apple Watch. And I'm gonna click OK. And now it's there. And let's go ahead and grab the Apple Watch. There we go. Let me type in my passcode. Ooh, it's so much easier to type. Update complete. Okay. Okay. Nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh, cool. I like it. Are you done? Oh, you are done. So cool. But there we go. That's unboxing from the setup to the very end.
You're making a YouTube video?
You're gonna be in it now.
No.
Yeah, you will be in it now. Okay. Please like and subscribe if you want more content. Bye.